This is a 2005 Subaru Legacy. This car has a manual transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a turbocharger, a limited-slip rear differential, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a dual moonroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, performance tires, variable valve timing, a rear spoiler, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. This Subaru has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.